Can real-world LOTO examples improve workplace safety? Imagine a worker about to repair a large electrical motor. They follow the safety steps, but a small mistake leads to a serious injury. How could this be avoided? Real-world lockout tagout examples can help answer that question. Lockout tagout is a safety process used to make sure machines are completely shut off and cannot start up again before repairs. It involves identifying all energy sources, shutting down equipment, applying lockout devices like padlocks, and tagging them with warning tags. Then, workers test to confirm the equipment is safe before working on it. In electrical engineering, hazardous energy usually means electrical power, but it can also include mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, thermal, or chemical energy. Lockout tagout procedures are designed to isolate all these sources so that no energy can accidentally releases during maintenance. Looking at real incidents shows why these steps matter. For example, there are cases where workers were injured because they did not lock out a circuit disconnect switch or failed to test for zero energy. Sometimes, equipment was turned back on accidentally, causing electric shocks or arc flashes. These incidents often happen when workers skip steps or do not use proper lockout devices. Using real-world examples in training makes the risks clear. Workers see how a small oversight, like not locking out a secondary energy source, can lead to serious injuries. These examples also clarify the correct steps, such as identifying all energy sources, shutting down and isolating equipment, applying lockout devices, testing for zero energy, and ensuring all tools and personnel are clear before re-energizing. In electrical systems, these steps are especially important when working on electrical panels, motors, or systems that can store energy. For instance, not verifying that a circuit is de-energized can cause electric shocks or arc flashes. Real-world examples show how missing even one step can lead to accidents. Practical use of these examples includes safety meetings, training sessions, and written procedures. By reviewing actual incidents, teams can find gaps in their safety practices. For example, if a case shows a worker was hurt because a lockout device was not used on a secondary energy source, the team can update their procedures to include checks for all energy sources. In the end, real-world lockout tagout examples are powerful tools. They turn abstract safety rules into concrete lessons, helping workers understand the importance of following procedures. They also show the real consequences of noncompliance. In electrical work, where the risks are high, these examples help prevent accidents and keep everyone safe.